Hello all, this is Mr. Molo giving you the plan for the next 2 weeks, our last project for Gateway to Technology. So your last project is going to make a Rube Goldberg machine. Okay, so a Rube Goldberg machine is defined as a machine intentionally designed to perform a single task in an indirect or overly complicated way. Usually these machines consist of a series of simple, unrelated devices that act as a trigger to the initiation of the next, eventually resulting in achieving a stated goal. And there's a video here that's a really intense one that I'll post on the Schoology page. Okay, so your assignment is design and build a machine that will accomplish a simple task. Examples are not limited to, but capturing a Lego guy, popping a balloon, closing a book. Your design must have a minimum of 3 tricks or steps, and you're just using supplies from your house. Okay, so week 1, so this is next week, due on May 22nd. We're going to draw out a plan on a sheet of paper just from the top view and include a list of materials being used and label each step or trick in your drawing. Then you're going to take a photo of your plan and email it to me to grade by next Friday, May 22nd. And then you're going to build and actually test your machine. So you're going to build your machine, test each step you're building, checking, make sure they work separately before they work all together. And then you're going to record a video of your Rube Goldberg machine and then test it out and email it to me. Okay, so I'll show you an example of what I did. Some of you might have already seen it because I did this last week then. So I'm going to roll the ball to Luca. Luca's going to roll the ball to the books. It's going to knock down the books, roll the books and hit the tennis ball, and then Wrigley's going to be waiting down at the bottom of the stairs to go get the ball. Back. Ready, Luca?
Ready.
Okay, stand over there. Okay, I roll the ball to Luca. Luca rolls the ball to the books. Okay, so something as simple as that, and actually mine had more steps because I rolled the ball to Luca. There's 1 step. Luca rolled the balls to the book. There's 2 steps. The book's then knocked over to the tennis ball. There's 3 steps. And then the tennis ball went down to the stairs for Wrigley to catch. So 4 steps. So I technically have 4 steps in mine. You can just do it where you're throwing the ball yourself. You don't need that other person there to roll the ball. Or you can do something more complicated if you want. But you would need a minimum of 3 steps there. So recapping, step 1, you're just coming up with the idea. That's due next Friday the 22nd. And then after that, due on Friday the 29th, is going to be the actual video of your machine.